Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like the Revager, Concentrix and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship opportunity, then this video is for you. So first importantly, this is from the Revager. So लोग हायर कर रहे हैं एंट्री लेवल सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर के लिए, यानी freshers are river for this wonderful opportunity, and we will getting lots of perks and benefits like the competitive salary, mentoring programs, relocation assistance, and other things are there. So if you are interested, just you have to provide the basic details and make sure to update, means apply with updated resume, then only will get the shortlisting mail. Moving to next, that is from the Concentrix. They are hiring for the role of customer service representative, and this is a full-time role. So if you want, you can apply. You should having a good communication skill for this opportunity. You will be tracking the document and retrieving the details and other things are there. So if you're interested, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is for the role of ASP.NET or MVC if you have, and freshers with hands-on project or internship experience in software development, they are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. And job location for this is Pune. So if you're interested, you can directly apply or share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next, that is from the EY. So they are expanding the consulting practice and we are looking for professional with experience in insurance. So if you have some experience in this, then you can apply for this opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the zglobal.com. So they are hiring freshers for the service now trainee, and strong chance of getting converted into PPO or full-time opportunity, and only 2026 pass out batch are eligible. So there is certification required in service now. So if you have done, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the NXP. They are hiring for the role of physical design engineer, and this is a full-time role. So if you are interested, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next opportunity, so they are hiring for the role of software development engineers, and for this the job location is Bengaluru. So customer they include like Coca-Cola and other things are there. So if you're interested, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So the requirement is you should be having strong coding, problem solving skills and working in experience required for this. So 2024 who have some experience can apply for this. Moving to next, that is from the Commerce IQ. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer batch 2024-2025, and you can expect salary till 23 LPS. So if you're interested, just you have to fill out the form. Okay. Moving to next, that is from the Hacker Rank. So they are actually hiring for the trainee roles. If you're interested, you can directly fill this. Okay. 2024, 2025, 26, 27 till you can apply for this, and you should be available, relocate the Bangalore location. So these were the some important only. I hope informative to you. For getting such important job updates, you can apply. So far, many important activity going on like from Tech Mahindra, Virtusha, PhonePe. So if you haven't applied for those hiring, must apply. Those are the good opportunity. And कोई भी query feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. मिलते हैं next job updates में. Thank you.